Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 7.7. First, let's take the first subdivision, integral of square root of 4x squared minus 9 dx. I'm going to take the 4 outside as a coefficient. So let's do that process. Integral of square root of 4 into x squared minus 9 by 4 dx. Now, if you take square root of 4, it will be 2, and I'm taking it outside the integration because it's just a constant. So, 2 into integral of square root of x squared minus 9 by 4 dx. Now, this is of the form integral of root of x squared minus a squared. The formula for this is x by 2 root of x squared minus a squared minus a squared by 2 log of x plus root of x squared minus a squared plus c. So we are going to take this particular formula and apply it, but remember every term here has to be multiplied by 2. So only that needs to be remembered. So I am putting a 2 and then a square bracket to start with the formula substitution. So here x by 2 root of x squared minus a squared is 9 by 4. So I am writing this 9 by 4 as such minus a squared by 2. So 9 by 4 by 2 log of x plus root of x squared minus a squared, because again 9 by 4 plus c, that I am putting outside the square bracket. So plus c. Now let's take the 2 inside to every term. So this will become x squared square root of x square root of x squared minus 9 by 4 minus this 2 and this 2 will vanish. So there is a 9 by 4 log of x plus square root of, here remember we are taking LCM. So this will be 4x squared by 9 divided by root 2. So I am directly writing it as 2 plus c. Now we are going to take an LCM here too. So it will be x into root of 4x squared minus 9. Remember divided by root 4. So that will be 2. I am writing it here. Then minus 9 by 4 log of, you take an LCM here. So it will become 2x plus root of 4x squared minus 9. The whole thing divided by 2 is there, but I'm going to tag it with the constant. So simply remove it and place 1c. So this will be the final answer for the first subdivision. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this case. So here in this case also we are going to remove 81 from the x squared. So let's take that out. Integral root of 81 into x squared plus 25 by 81 this dx. Now if you take root 81, it will be 9. I am taking it outside of the integration. So this is 9 into integral of root of x squared plus 25 by 81 dx. Now this is of the form integral of root of x squared plus a squared dx. The formula for that is x by 2 root of x squared plus a squared plus a squared by 2 log of x plus root of x squared plus a squared plus c. So we're going to apply this particular formula here, but remember there is a 9 that needs to be multiplied to every term. So I'm putting 9, opening a square bracket, and then I'm going to substitute on the formulas. So this is x by 2 root of x squared plus 25 by 81 plus, remember a squared itself is 25 by 81, the whole thing divided by 2 log of x plus root of x squared plus 25 by 81 plus c. I am putting it outside the square bracket. In the next term, I am going to multiply every term by 9. So this is 9x by 2, and here I am taking an LCM. So this will become 81x squared plus 25. Now divided by root 81, I am putting that, so this root 81 as 9 plus this will become 25 by 81 into 2, and remember there is a 9 here. Either way we're going to multiply and cancel and all, so I'm writing it in this style. Log of x plus, Here within the bracket you take LCM, so it will be 81 x squared plus 25 divided by root of 81, which is 9, and then there is a plus c. In the next step we will just remodify this aspect, so the 9 and the 9 will get cancelled, so this expression will become x by 2 root of 81 x squared plus 25. Now here the 9 will get cancelled here, so this will become plus 25 by 18, then log of, remember we take LCM here too, so this is 9x plus root of 81 x squared plus 25 plus c. The by 9 is going always into the constant. So this is the final answer. In the next video, we will find the solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.